Okay, hi everyone. We're going to try a little experiment with a free app on your phone. So if you can see, I've got Tone Generator and Sonic. Tone Gen, Sonic. Those are free frequency generators that you can download on your phone, and they're super simple. Um, the one that's called the Tone Gen. Let me turn up the volume. You can kind of see the frequency being generated. And then it's got a little slider bar, higher frequency, smaller wavelengths. And you can kind of test out the low frequency. Okay, so this is your job. Test your hearing range first in a quiet room, and then test somebody else who's a different age, younger, older, and see what happens. I'll tell you right now, when I play, it's loud. When I get up to about 12 to 13,000 in that range, I can't hear anymore. But I tested my daughter. She could hear over 18,000 hertz. Test yours out. If the Tone Gen app doesn't work, use the Sonic app. Sonic app's nice. You just swipe up and it increases the frequency. Swipe down, it decreases the frequency. Super simple. Doesn't give you a nice graph of the wave. But play around with the frequency generators, test out different people at different ages, and post an answer to the discussion to see if the frequency range changes for people who are older. Okay, have fun. Look forward to hearing about your little mini lab and seeing the responses. Good luck.